Okay, this video is about writing equations when given a graph. First is vocabulary. The four types of slope are positive, negative, zero, and undefined. A review. This is positive, this is negative, this is zero, and this is undefined. The next vocabulary is y-intercept. For example, if this is your graph, okay, this is y negative, this is y positive, this is x negative, this is x positive. The y-intercept is where the blue line touches the y. So this is the y-intercept, okay? So mira la línea y dónde está el punto que la línea azul está tocando la línea negro, pero el eje de Y. Entonces este. Okay? So este es your y-intercept. Alright, an equation must have an equal sign. For example, y equals 2x plus 3. This is an equation. And the last vocabulary is points. You need to be able to identify 2 points on your graph. Okay, first we're going to start with the easy graphs, horizontal. Okay, so the first example, look for the y-intercept. This is the y. Okay, the y-intercept is -4. And the line is touching y. So my equation is y equals -4. The other example, where is the y-intercept? It's at +6. So the equation is y equals 6. So when the graph is horizontal, the equation is always y equals a number. So cuando tienes una gráfica y la línea está horizontal, siempre tu ecuación es y es igual un número. ¿Qué número? El número aquí. Or aquí, el y-intercept. Alright, the next type is vertical graphs. Look for the number it's touching, -1. And when it's vertical, it's x equals a number. So x igual -1. Esta es mi ecuación para esta línea. Alright, the next one is touching +8. The equation is x equals 8. So, cuando la línea está vertical, siempre es x igual a un número. Cuando la línea está horizontal, es y igual a un número. Alright, next is the vocabulary slope. Remember, when you have 2 points, you can count to find slope. Okay? So remember, this is slope, a fraction. So for example, if this is slope, it means I'm going 4 down. Okay, when it's negative, negative is down. So cuando el número está negativo, está abajo, solo arriba. Right? And the bottom is +3. So I'm going to go to the right. Abajo es +3, este número es positivo, entonces derecha. Alright, next is diagonal graphs. The equation for diagonal graphs is y equals mx plus b. M is slope, b is the y-intercept. Okay, first we're going to look for the y-intercept. The y-intercept is here at +4. So we're looking for +4. Okay, +4, +4. -4? No. I can eliminate this option. So yo sé en esta gráfica el y-intercept es +4 porque la línea está cruzando el eje de Y a +4. Y entonces yo sé la ecuación necesita +4. Yo puedo eliminar opción B porque no hay +4, solo hay -4. So solo tengo 2 opciones ahora. So the next step is what type of slope is this graph? So remember, the 4 types of slope: positive, negative, 0, undefined. So it is negative. My slope here is positive. My slope here is negative. This is the answer. Alright, we're going to do 3 more examples. Okay, the first step for writing the equation is to write y equals. Now find the y-intercept. So this is the y. The y-intercept is positive 4. Okay, then I'm going to write x. Now I need the slope. So I need to find a second point. My second point is here. So for slope, remember, slope is this. Okay, so first, up or down? I'm going to go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up. So I went 7 up. Okay, and now I'm going to go to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 to the right. And that is the equation of the graph. Y, slope, x, y-intercept. Next example. Y equals, what is the y-intercept? It's positive 1. Then I'm going to put x. The best friend of x is slope. I need 2 points. So ahora necesito 2 puntos. Solo tengo uno, entonces yo necesito buscar en la línea azul para un punto. Entonces hay un otro punto aquí. O aquí. Tengo 2 opciones, no se importa cuál tú puedes usar. So, remember, slope is up and down first, and then right and left. So, recuerdas, para slope siempre es arriba o abajo primero. Siempre. Arriba o abajo primero. Ok, entonces abajo. 1, 2, 3. Porque yo quiero ir a este punto. So, 3 abajo. Y recuerdas, cuando es abajo es negativo. So, negativo 3. Y ahora 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, derecha. Entonces, esta es mi ecuación para la gráfica. So, I went 3 down, which means it's negative, and then I went 5 to the right. That is my equation of the graph. Now, looking at the graph, what type of slope is this? The type of slope is negative. Esta línea es negativo. Entonces, yo sé mi número con X es negativo. El otro ejemplo, yo sé este es positivo. Entonces, el número con X es positivo también. Alright, the last example. Remember, we're going to do y equals. Where is the y-intercept? It is at 0. Now I'm going to write x. And then slope, I need another point. So how many? I'm going to go up and down first. So up, 1, 2, 3. 3 up. 3 up. And now I'm going to go right or left. I'm going to go right 1. So mi ecuación es 3 sobre 1x más 0, pero no necesito el 0 porque solo es 0. So it's y igual 3x, solo este, porque 3 entre 1 es 3, tú puedes simplificar. Right, so 3 divided by 1 is 3, so this is the simplified answer. Okay, and then the plus 0, I don't need it. So cuando no hay número aquí, yo say, oh, es más 0. And that is the end of this video.